फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आप अगर यहाँ पे आज नए हो सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही एक अच्छा सा दिवाली ट्यूटोरियल लेके आई हूँ। बहुत ही इजी है, क्विक है, पर ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। जिसको भी बहुत हैवी में नहीं मेकअप करना है, जिसको बहुत गॉडी मेकअप नहीं पसंद है, तो मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा एक क्लासी सा मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल लाई हूँ। सो कम ऑन, लेट्स बिगिन। First step is to cover all the dark spots on our face, pigmentation, dark spots, dark circles. So I'm covering it with LA Pro Girl Conceal. Right now, as comparing to my whole face, I just have dark circles. So I'm just applying on my dark circles, and with flat brush I will blend it with dabbing technique. You can blend it with sponge too. Do not blend it with your finger because due to body heat it becomes sometimes patchy. Now I'm applying foundation with the same flat brush. I have just taken a small drop of the foundation and applying all over my face. This is very light makeup, so we are not going to apply many layers, just a thin layer of foundation. Blend it very nicely, very evenly. You can blend it with damp sponge or even with the puffing brush. Apply to your eyelids also. Cover your forehead, your neck and ears as well. Now take a compact powder and just roughly spread all over your face, neck and ears to set the foundation. Now I'm going to contour my cheeks very lightly. If you already have sharp cheekbones, you can skip this step. If you guys want a separate tutorial for the contouring and highlighting, do let me know in the comment section. Time to blush our cheeks. I'm applying Maybelline Cheeky Glow Cinnamon shade. Very softly, very mildly. Now highlighter. I have taken soft gold shade in highlighter. You can take golden also. Now for eyeshadow, I am going to take this fluffy brush and the same blush shade which we applied on our cheeks. With the fluffy brush, I am going to apply all over my eye to give the base shade, to give the base to our eyeshadow. This is very classy look, so I am not going to apply too many shades. We are going to do a very sober look today, so just a basic shade. After applying the base, I am going to apply this dull gold eyeshadow. It's my one of the favorite shade. It just goes to every outfit. I just love this shade. Apply the eyeshadow to your full eyelids. First apply to your cherry part and then gradually blend it all over your eyelid. Make sure it's not patchy, just blend it well. Now I am going to apply the same highlighter shade which we apply on the cheeks to my brow bone. Very softly. You can apply with your finger too. Now it's liner time. Today I'm going to apply a very basic traditional thin eyeliner. Not too long, not too short. See you with the both liners. Next I am going to apply falsies. I have put on dramatic lashes. You can put on natural lashes too. For lipstick I am taking a very natural pink nude shade and I am just applying a thin thin layer of lipstick all over my lips, and I'm going to mix it up with this brown nude shade. I just love mixing two colors for the lip shade I want. You should try it too. And just look at this final result of this tutorial. It looks so classy, so beautiful. You can keep your hair open or ironed or with soft curls with this look, or just can switch to this traditional look which I like. You can try this tutorial for either Laxmi Pujan or Diwali celebration. If you like this tutorial, please give a big like and share this video, and do subscribe my channel.